When you join most of the affiliate programs we have out there, all you will get is an affiliate link and a lot of videos to watch, then figure things out on your own. Is the Partner with Anthony program among those? In this video, I'm going to show you inside the program. I'm going to show you things that most people will not allow you to see. So if you are looking for the best Partner with Anthony program review, just stick around. Hi, my name is VK. I'm the founder of Will Village Academy. In this video, I'm going to give you an inside view of the Partner with Anthony program. I'm going to guide you and advise you on whether this program is worth your time, your attention, and whether this program is worth taking from you the money that you will spend on your cup of coffee. But before I dive into the video, if you are new on my channel, go down and like the video, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more video like this on my channel. Now let's go to my computer and I will show you everything inside the Partner with Anthony program.
Yeah, here we are inside the Morrison Education program. When you join the Partner with Anthony program, you will be sent the link to have access to 3 different pages. This is one of them, and this should normally be the first one you will get access to because it helps you to see the courses you enrolled in and see the other ones that you might choose from if you want. And the good thing is when you join the program, you will be offered a special opportunity to start earning commission on all these courses and software when somebody you refer buy them. So you will be paying very close attention to that program and that opportunity once you join the Partner with Anthony program. And this is the program right here, and I will click on it to see the different courses that we have inside the program. We have 30 sessions in total, and you go through each session every day. Like you finish your session 1 and you click on complete session, and then your next session will open the following day. So that's how you do it, and you will see that I have completed all the session is 100% complete. I've gone through all this and I know what the program is about, and if you go through all this, I'm 100% sure there's nothing left for you to start making money online, either with the Partner with Anthony program or any other program on the internet, because they cover almost everything that you need to know on the internet. They will be talking about things to work on your mindset, the right mindset that you need to have as an entrepreneur to start making money online. They will talk about what affiliate marketing is and what it is not, and they will also help you step by step to set up your business, from your tracking links to your autoresponder, where you will be sending automatic emails to your prospects, and they will also help you set up your ClickFunnels account, teach you how to start building your funnels, how to build your opt-in pages, how to link them together, and how to connect ClickFunnels to your autoresponder. They will teach you how to do this inside the Partner with Anthony program. They will also teach you where to get traffic and how to get traffic, the different traffic that you need to start making your money online, either it is on Facebook or from Google or from Instagram through solo ads. They will teach you all this so that you start making your money online. They will also talk about email marketing, how to write a good copy, a good email copy. And from here, I will maybe look at this session 1. Most of us, when we go through a program, what we do is we watch what we need to watch, apply what we have learned, and we move on. Those who choose to write a comment, they are not that many, and you will see inside this program the first session has 1,284 comments, and those are the people who really want to say something about the program, and I will sort them by the newest. So you see the new people who joined the program, what they are saying about it. And what you can see here is, look, he said, I'm excited, I'm all in, I'm very excited to be here. I find your courses very interesting. I've never done this before, but look forward to it and can't wait. I'm already registered for Thursday. I'm committed, I'm ready, I'm in. All this, a lot of people, so many people are happy to join this program, and that's exactly what I want to show you inside this program. And it's also very important that I mention the bonuses that you're going to get once you join the Partner with Anthony program. Anthony is going to give you done for you funnels, and those will be for free. You will also get his book that sold millions of copies, which is called The Hidden Millionaire. You will have it for free, and you will have also access to his weekly Success Connection live training, where he builds businesses and give them to his students completely free. And talking about those businesses, have a look at this. The first one is the 8-figure funnel formula, which is an ebook, and you download the funnel, the book, everything in your ClickFunnels account, and you start selling the book. The money goes to your bank account. The second one is the Inboxer Academy, which is a monthly membership course teaching email marketing. You sell it how much you want, but the preference is between $5 and $10 per month. And the next course is the advanced level of email marketing. We call it 7-figure email strategies. This program is a one-time payment of $497, and you sell this, the money goes into your bank account. To only mention these few ones that you get inside the Partner with Anthony program. When you join the program, you have access to the weekly training, which we call Success Connection, and from there they will give you a special link that will take you to this page where you will just download everything you have over here. I'm so excited to be with them. I'm so happy also to share this knowledge with you guys, so that you know. I'm sure there are videos out there talking about the Partner with Anthony program, but it's very important that I show you inside the program, so that you know, as I said. And I will also show you some of my stats. If you have a look at this, I've sent already 708 clicks to my affiliate link, got 30 leads and 16 sales. 30 and 16 sales because some people try to buy the course to get inside the Partner with Anthony program, and due to credit card issues they were rejected. So I got 16 sales, and from those 16 I noticed at the end of the month that I had 12 rebills, which means 4 people canceled their membership, which will be normal. Some people will just quit. Yeah, they are not meant to do this. And you will see my commission here, 242 inside the Partner with Anthony program so far. It's also very important that I mention this. This money is something that will be coming in every month. As long as these people stays with the program, this money will be coming in every month. So it's very important that you keep those in mind. So that's what I want to cover with the Partner with Anthony program, to let you know what the program is, what the program is not, what you will get once you join the Partner with Anthony program. So that's it. Thank you, and see you inside the Partner with Anthony program.
This is it for today. If you like the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more content like this on my channel. And if you want to learn more about me, go to my website, focusonwinners.com. That is focusonwinners.com, and you will get everything that you need to know about me. I really appreciate your time. This is VK from Will Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.